Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today we dive into the world of a miraculous herb that's been cherished for centuries, Gotu Kola. Gotu Kola, also known as Centella asiatica, is famed for its remarkable cognitive and anti-inflammatory property. This powerhouse herb is celebrated for its ability to improve memory, reduce anxiety, and accelerate wound healing. Imagine a plant that not only sharpens your mind, but also soothes your skin. That's Gotu Kola for you. To keep this wonder plant thriving, regular watering is essential. Think of it as a little thirsty button. Keep the soil consistently moist, and it will reward you generously. Gotu Kola loves basking in warm, sunny climates, making spring the perfect season to plant it. Just like us, it enjoys soaking up the sun but prefers partial shade to avoid sunburn. Harvesting Gotu Kola is a breeze. Simply pluck the leaves as needed throughout the growing season. It's like having a little green pharmacy right in your backyard. For optimal growth, plant Gotu Kola in well-drained, sandy, or loamy soil, with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. Medicinally, Gotu Kola has been a staple in traditional medicine for ages. It's used to treat a variety of conditions, such as varicose veins, eczema, and psoriasis. Moreover, it's known to enhance circulation, boost collagen production, even promote liver health. Unlock the power of ancient wisdom with Gotu Kola, your green companion for a sharper mind and healthier skin. Let's embrace this botanical treasure and let Gotu Kola add a touch of magic to our lives.
Well, this is SMF, botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.